Hello. Oh, my dog. Hi, it's Diana. Welcome to this video. And if you are new to me, I help women through the midlife phase and beyond live a healthier, happier life, really help to better balance our body with what you eat, because you need to change what you eat because you are different at this phase. If you're over 40 over 45, right? Your body's going through some changes. So I help you understand what changes the body's going through, even if you've gone through them. It's still same things applies, kind of like what used to work doesn't work anymore, and it requires changing some things, what you eat, decreasing your stress, yes, making changes to your lifestyle, and understanding the emotional and the physical symptoms that come with this phase of life and how they change things, how they affect your energy, your health, and your weight. That is a big thing, right? You gain weight around the midsection in midlife, and but you don't have to. You can lose it. There are things you can do. It just requires you to make a few changes. So that's what I help women with. And I have an amazing free Facebook community called Women Creating Healthy Lives. So come on and join us over there. I post recipes, recipe videos. Sometimes I video me making my dinner and show you what I've made. And then I tell you about programs, courses, tips, inspiration, all that for living healthy and happy over 40. Okay, so what I want to talk about today is such an important topic. And it's just something it came up again for me today and yesterday, in the last little while. When we're working on our inner selves, right, which means whenever we're trying to make change in our outer world, like either our physical body or our mental state, or make a change in life, right, a job, career, relationship, trying to get to the gym when we, keep fighting ourselves, whatever it is, it requires a lot of emotional strength. It requires you to make changes. It requires you to go through the ups and downs, right? Like letting go of old habits, behaviors, beliefs, ways of being, right? So we could have an identity around like, well, I'm a person who just eats when I'm stressed, or right, again, you could identify with being like of this age, and so you just gain weight, or like have this belief that there's nothing I can do. I've tried every single thing in the world and nothing seems to work. And so there's all these things that get in our way, right? And you might have an awareness of that. So when you go to make these changes, it can be a struggle because you need to let go of the old you, which is like, I don't want to believe those things anymore. I don't want to think those thoughts. I don't want to say those things because they're self-defeating. They just keep me where I am, and I want certain changes. I want to feel better. I want to have more energy, lose the weight, or like I said, a new job, new relationship, new career, whatever it is you're working towards, right? So I'm always working on things like that. Myself, always a lot of personal growth and self-growth. And sometimes it's like these, you go up and you do really well, and then you hit the dip and you're like, oh my God, nothing's ever going to work. I don't know what I'm going to do. Why can't I find what's going to work for me? Yada, yada. Oh, I forgot to share this video. Let me share the video. But what I want also to say is that you're always guided. So I'm going to just tell you what happened to me real recently. And it's just happened many, many times before. Whenever I'm like, oh my God, I'm trying all these things, I can't seem to find what's going to work. So then I ask for guidance and assistance from source, God, source, universe, whatever you want to call it. And it always comes. So I'm just going to tell you what I mean here. Because sometimes we think you need to figure it out all yourself, but there's lots of support for you, right? There's lots of support around for you. And don't be afraid to ask for it. Let me just post this in where. And it's funny because I was struggling for a few days going, oh my God, like this. Hi guys, say hello when you're watching. And if you're watching the replay, put hashtag guidance. Because we always have guidance. Oh my God, you guys, we always have people that we can ask. We always have, and so I was like, God, source, energy, whatever, show me something that can help me break through this thing that I'm having a hard time breaking through. Like, I don't know, I'm going in circles because we often can't see what we're doing, right? We're going in circles. We're repeating the same things. It's just natural. It's who we are. It's what we do. So sometimes I'm like, God, please, I need your help. Source energy. Guide me to the resources, the person, something, me to read something, see something, watch something on YouTube. Show me something that's going to help me break through this part. Show me something that's going to help me get kind of an answer that I need to work through something, right? And so I did that recently, and oh my God, like it just pop right away. Pretty much right away, you guys. And it was funny because I'm like, oh my, here I struggled with something for a few days, and then I'm like, I haven't asked for guidance. I didn't ask for guidance. I tried to figure it myself. I got myself stuck in a circle of thoughts, fears, worries, doubts, not knowing how to fix it, not knowing what to do, right? And then I'm like, no, this is crazy. Remember, ask for guidance, right? So whatever you tend to believe. So I don't believe in, I don't follow a certain religion, but I do believe certainly in God's source energy, whatever you want to call it, and my spiritual guides. And so I'm like, of course, you can ask a person, right? So you can find a person who can help you with whatever you're working through. If you don't know who that is, the best thing you can do is like God's source energy, whatever, please guide me to the right person, to the right resource, which could be a book, could be a YouTube video, could be a coach on Facebook. There's so many amazing people on Facebook now who can help. Hi, Lori. Yeah, so don't forget to ask for guidance and ask for support, to be led to specific resources, help, anything, right? That will help guide you through whatever you're working through. That's my message today, because it was just such an like aha for me again to realize, wow, here I have been sitting for a couple days kind of struggling over something, going through the emotional roller coaster. And then when I finally asked God, source, whatever, for help, bang, help came so fast, so fast. So don't waste any time. There's so much help available to you. Ask for guidance, ask for support, for resources, videos, people, books, whatever it can be, and be open to all possibilities. Be open to resources and help and guidance and support coming from anywhere. Be open for it. You will be guided. I can guarantee it. All right. Make sure to visit my Facebook community, Women Creating Healthy Lives. I also have hundreds of videos on YouTube on living healthy and happy over 40, the hormonal changes, the weight gain, the stress reduction, all of that, and of course mindset. So I work with women mainly a lot in mindset also. And on DianaMarchand.com, my website, I have some free trainings for you. I'm working on amazing free trainings coming up too that will be new soon. And you can also learn about my programs. All right, much love to you. Have a great night. And you are never alone, and there's always so much help and resources for you. Just ask for the guidance and support. All right, much love to you. Bye-bye.